Have you ever wondered, why do I need this big piece of hardware, and why can't I just connect my LED strips directly to the AC power? Sure, you can try without this, but that would burn and overheat your LED strips instantly. The power that comes from your wall outlet is 220 volts AC. The point of this transformer right here is to convert this high voltage AC into safer low voltage DC power, which is perfect for LED lights. Now, what kind of transformer to choose? Well, this all depends on the type of LED light that you want to use. We have so many different LED lights, LED strips, cabinet built-in LEDs, small LED chips, big LED chips, and the list goes on. Right here I have an overhead LED light working on 24 volt input, and this is provided to me by JLCMC company. If you are looking for a high quality electrical, pneumatical, or maybe even mechanical components, make sure to go to the JLCMC website. They have hundreds, if not thousands, of high quality mechatronical components, all the way from, let me see right here, conveyor rollers, bearings, drawer slides, hinges, I don't know, bushings, screws, bolts, whatever you need. And what's most interesting to me, they have a wide range of sensors and LED lights. And check this out, when you go right here into the LED lights, you have this side column where you can choose whatever you need. Let's say that I have a voltage of 220 volts AC, just check it, and I want to have a power of 20 watts, check it right here, and then you get 6 products with these properties in it. And check this out, these prices, they are very affordable. To make this deal even better, when you register on their website, you get this $19 coupon that you can use to purchase any of these items. So basically one of these LED lights you can buy for free. And they have a global delivery. Brother, if they were able to deliver these items to Bosnia, they can deliver it to you too. But enough of that. Yes, they are perfect, but we have an LED light to connect without burning it, hopefully. Right here I have 3 different transformers at my disposal. This is a standard transformer that steps down 220 volts AC to 24 volts DC. It's perfect for high-powered LED strips or fixtures that require 24 volts, like this JLCMC LED. Next, we have a 220 volts to 12 volts transformer, which is commonly used for these low-power LED strips. It's compact and versatile. And finally, we have this little black housing transformer that typically comes bundled with LED strips when you buy them together. Now, while pretty convenient, these little transformers might not always have the same durability and efficiency as these standalone transformers. They just die after some time, cause unknown, and yes, you cannot fix them, trust me, I have tried that. So now let's see how to connect everything to make this LED work. But before we do that, if you are wondering, can you connect 2 separate LED strips like these 2 right here? The answer is yes, you can connect them, and I'll show you how to do that in this video right here, so make sure to check it out. Every transformer has connectors on both sides, and if you are doing this for the first time, it can be a little bit confusing, but bear with me. On one side you have this plus V and minus V, and this is where you connect your LED light. On the other side you have this little mark, you have the letter N and letter L. This mark is for the ground, so if you have a light with the ground on it, make sure to connect ground right here. N is for the neutral wire and L is for the live wire. This is where you connect your 220 volts output. Find a plug cable like this one right here, connect blue wire to the neutral and brown wire to the live, and just plug it in your wall outlet. This green light means we have a power in this transformer. Connect your LED light to the other side. The red wire goes to the plus V and white wire goes to the minus V. Now, once everything is connected, let's plug this bad boy right here in an outlet, and we have a light! Beautiful! Now it's a little bit too bright, so you probably can't see anything. Let me turn it around. Basically, this transformer right here plays a critical role in protecting your LED light and ensuring that they function properly. Now, whether you are working with 12 volts LEDs or 24 volts LEDs. Choosing the right transformer is a key for your project success. Now, if you are looking for a reliable LED lights like this one right here that I have just shown you, make sure to check out the JLCMC website. They have a fantastic range of products and you can claim your $19 coupon by clicking on the link in the description below. If you are looking for more LEDs, tips and tricks, I highly recommend to check out these videos right here, and YouTube thinks that this video right here is the best video for you, so make sure to check it out. Thank you guys for watching this video with me, and I will see you in the next one.